Hello my lovely friends, this is Nev from Nev's Lifestyle. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video you must have already guessed by the title. Actually I'm in my sister's house and this is Wisconsin, US, and today we are going to do sister's tag, and let me invite my sister over here and we will do the sister's tag today. So here is my sister. Hi, this is Simi. So we are going to do sister's tag like I told you, and I have my laptop over here, and she doesn't know the questions what I'm gonna ask. So we will start. Okay, and I'm going to read the questions for you guys, and then we will answer for each other. So the first question is, who is the oldest or youngest? So she is the oldest, I'm the youngest in the family, and we have one brother kind of in between us. Okay, so the next question is, what do you like and hate about your sister? So we will answer for each other, so you go first.
I like that she's very intelligent and very dedicated.
And what do you hate about me?
Sometimes you're bully.
Bully? I don't think so. I am bully. Okay, what do you like and hate about your sister? Like is kind of hard, but I have to anyway say. So I like that she is very caring and talented also. So actually I'm telling her to start her own channel. She does very good cooking, so hopefully, and comment below and let me know that she should start her own cooking channel. So most probably she will, and I would definitely let you know guys when she does that. And hate about your sister that she gives me a lot of work, like she tells me do this, do that, so I don't like that. Okay, so what was the funniest memory you remember about us together? Like,
Do you remember when we were 3-4 years old together? We were playing in a room.
I was
Even you
so
were even.
I forgot to tell you guys, like we have about 5.5 years of gap. So she is 5.5 years older than me. So yeah,
So-
now go on.
So you were about 2 or 3 and I was a little older to you, and we had a sofa in the house. We liked it a lot, and we had the firecracker matchsticks, and remember we burnt it together, though it was very scary, but it was a lot of fun when we did it.
Okay, so the next question, what do you and your sister do for fun? Okay, I'll answer. Mostly we like to go for shopping and like eating out, and basically going out, whether
Going
it's
out.
for eating, for shopping, or drive, theme parks, or anything like that. What do you have to say about it?
I agree with you here.
So the next question is, describe your sister in one word.
Awesome. My sister is awesome.
Awesome. Okay, awesome. Okay. Okay, so have you ever liked one of her friends?
No, I'm older to you. How can I like your friends?
Yeah, because she's older to me, so all her friends were like older, so not really. And I think same goes with her. She didn't like my friends because they were like little, so no.
How
not
about you? Did you like any of my friends?
Okay, because like in India, we call them bhaiyas, and also everybody was like bhaiyas and ditis. So it was okay, nothing, anybody in particular. Okay, so the next question, what's your nickname people call? What do people call you?
People call me Goody. Means a small doll.
Oh, okay. And my friends call me, people call, so it's like different. At home they call me Nita, and my friends call me Nivi or Nev. So yeah. Okay, who keeps a cleaner room?
Me!
Yeah, she does. She does. I am kind of a messy, but yes, she does. Okay, what does your sister think about the most?
Going for a movie, makeup, and her videos. Of course, she's very passionate about them.
And she thinks most about. What do you think most about?
My daughter.
Yeah, her daughter, and actually, who's just behind the camera and dancing right now. She thinks about her daughter and taking care of the house, and she's a very good painter, so she does that. So she's very creative. Okay, and who reads more?
I think it's me who does read the most of the reading in the house.
Yeah, actually, if it depends. If it is books,
It's
she
me.
she has read more books, and now like everybody is on internet reading something or the other. But if you are talking about books, then yeah, she has read more books, novels, and those things. I have never read any those kinds of books or any book other than my studies. What is something you like to do together? I think we have already answered this question, because this question is something similar to the question, what do you and your sister do for fun? So this is kind of same like going for shopping, basically going out. So who is the most talented? Me. So she is more creative and talented in different field, and I am like in different field. So want to tell about that?
Yeah, she's very good dancer. She's very good singer, and she makes very awesome videos.
And she is more like she does good cooking, painting, and what all you do good?
I think I'm good at everything.
Yeah, so she is in a different field of art, and I'm like in a different field of art.
Yeah.
Okay, so the next question is, what's your favorite makeup beauty product or brand? So this will is easy. I can answer for her. She likes mascara and eyeliner. She's fond of that, but she doesn't do a lot of makeup. So, but her favorite product is mascara and eyeliner.
I think for you, you like to shop at Sephora and Ulta, and lipstick is your favorite makeup.
Yeah, kind of.
But you're very good at doing all the makeup, so sometimes I feel that you like all the products.
Yeah, I like now actually I like more highlighter. I think basically everything, but yeah, but as college going kid, I loved lipstick.
Yeah.
Okay, so next question is, what is your sister really bad at? I know this answer. Do you know?
No.
She is bad at dancing. She shies away from dancing. She
Yeah.
doesn't like to dance. She's very shy like that, dancing wise.
That's not my forte. I'm sorry.
Yeah, what do you think I'm bad at?
I think you're not good at painting or drawing at all.
Yeah, actually, yes, that's true. I'm very bad at drawing. That's why I remember one of you requested me to draw my life, and I couldn't do it because I'm very bad with drawing. So yes, I'm very bad with drawing. And next, what's the best thing about one another?
I think we answered this before with the
Yeah, I mean it's something similar we have already answered.
Yeah.
Okay, so the next thing is, who takes longer to get ready?
You, of course.
Yeah, I take longer to get ready because since I started doing YouTube and everything, so I started putting on makeup, not every day, but when we go out. So yeah, heels or flats? I think she likes both, but nowadays she wears more flats.
Yeah, that's because of the boots we need to wear all the time walking on the snow. But I like my heels.
Yeah.
How about you?
I like heels because I'm short, so I don't like to wear flats because I feel I'm like more short when I wear flats. But yes, I like more heels and
I like your heel collections, the shoe collection video also. I remember that video.
Yeah, I like heels. Yes, last thing you talked about. I will answer. Last thing we talked about was doing this video, actually getting ready and talking which video we should do and all that. So yeah, right?
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, so the last thing we talked more about, yes, doing this video. Are you close?
Yeah, we're very close. I think we keep talking on the phone, even the distance doesn't matter. Yeah, we are close.
Yes. One thing you can do that your sister can't. We just answered this question, like she cannot dance, I cannot draw. So basically we have answered that. What's a weird habit of your sister? Weird habit.
I know your weird habit. She wakes up very late.
I don't know her weird habit. Okay. What was your biggest fight or argument?
I don't think we had a big fight ever. We do argue and fight all the time, but nothing very big as such. So
yeah, we never had like a big fight or big argument. Yeah, everyday small fights, beating up each other and all that, but nothing like too big.
yeah.
Okay, so describe the last thing you did with your sister.
What was the last thing? We do so many things together.
The last thing I think we did was we just went to Walmart and
Yeah.
we did a lot of shopping. Basically, we went for shopping. Actually, we went for her daughter's back to school.
Yeah.
So yeah, we went for that. Okay, so the last question, complete this statement. My sister is
The best thing in the world for me.
my sister is bestest. So if you like this video, please don't forget to comment below and let me know, and please follow me on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. It's Neff's Lifestyle, and all the links will be in the description box as always. And do you want to say anything?
Please subscribe to her channels. Show her your love and support. I think that's it.
Yeah, so please like and share this video on all your social media platforms, and I will see you next time. Bye.
Bye.